Today we are discussing about the treatment of this disease, that is cancer esophagus. There are three types of treatment for cancer esophagus. One is chemotherapy, radiotherapy and surgical resection. There is another type of treatment that is used only to relieve symptoms of dysphagia, and that is endoscopic stenting. Now let us discuss briefly about all these modalities, which one is required. So first of all, once we decide and confirm that which stage the patient is of CA esophagus, based on that we decide the treatment modality. For early stage cancer esophagus, that is stage 1 and 2, the best treatment is resection, that is removal of the diseased organ, that is esophagus, and formation of neoesophagus with the help of a conduit formed by stomach and colon of the patient. This surgical resection is done by 2-3 methods. The classical method is open surgery, where we put a large incision in the abdomen and chest and neck so as to remove the organ and reconstruct the same organ. But nowadays, with the latest advancements, laparoscopic or thoracoscopic, that is minimal access approach, is used, wherein we put few holes in the abdomen and chest and do the whole resection and reconstruction of the esophagus. There is also a latest technological advancement in the form of robotic minimal access approach, where the minimal access approach is used with the help of robot. There are few advantages, but the final outcome of laparoscopic or minimal access approach versus robotic minimal access approach are same. Now coming to the third stage of cancer esophagus, which is also known as locally advanced cancer. If on PET CT and CT scan we find that patient is having a locally advanced tumor, the initial treatment of choice would be chemotherapy with or without radiotherapy, so as to downstage this tumor, make it resectable, and once that is done, surgery is offered, and once surgery is complete, the remaining part of the chemotherapy is done. Here the aim is not to increase the quantity of life, but only to offer quality of life by relieving the patient from symptoms. And as I told you earlier, the most important symptom is dysphagia, which is relieved by endoscopic stenting, and in addition to that, patient is offered chemotherapy and radiotherapy as well. Now I would like to add few things which I have forgot to mention in the earlier part of this discussion. First is diagnostic modalities also includes a latest technology, that is endoscopic ultrasound, by which we see the depth of tumor. And regarding treatment of cancer esophagus, if the cancer in the esophagus is in the upper 1/3 of the esophagus, like mainly in the esophagus which is present in the neck and superior most part of the chest, and on biopsy if it is squamous cell carcinoma, the treatment of choice is chemotherapy and radiotherapy in combination. In this particular part of esophageal cancer, there is no role of operation. Thank you very much.